Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You are watching ChatGPT guide. If you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Today in this video, we will design a new web browser using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Simply open the web browser and open the ChatGPT website. Within the ChatGPT website, in input box, write the code for web browser using Python and PyQt, which should include the functionality such as forward, backward and refresh button, and press enter. I think the final code has been successfully generated by ChatGPT. So let's copy this code from ChatGPT and we'll run this code in Python, since this is a Python based code generated by ChatGPT. So let's open the Python. So I have already installed the Python in my machine with version 3.7.1. So go to the file, create a new file, paste the earlier code copied from ChatGPT, save it. So let's save this file within the folder project with the file name web browser with extension .py. Save it. So now let's execute the code. Go to run. Within the run, we have a run module. Click to it. Here we go. So we have a new browser which is designed based on Python and PyQt, whose code was generated by ChatGPT. So now let's test the functionality of new developed web browser. So let's search for YouTube, press enter. Here we have a link for YouTube. Let's browse for the video. So I'll search my video in the YouTube. ChatGPT build a simple number guessing game using ChatGPT. So let's play this video. Okay, so it's working fine. The browser is working correctly, which we have designed using ChatGPT. So now let's test the functionalities which we have included, such as forward, backward and refresh. So let me refresh. So the page should refresh. Okay, it has refreshed. Okay, the page has already been refreshed. That means refresh button is working fine. Likewise, let me click to the back button. It should move backward. Okay, right, it's working correctly. Now let's click to the forward button. So it should be able to play the earlier video. Okay, so it's working fine. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. So all the functionalities of web browser is working fine. So this is the code. So let me reveal the code. So these are the code which was generated by ChatGPT. The code is based on Python. In this way, without coding any line, using the help of ChatGPT, we have finally designed a new web browser.